Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the first video of 25th module on skills of school counselor, leadership and coordinating skills. School counselors' function is to plan and implement comprehensive school counseling programs that focus on helping the students to achieve and perform well. School counseling programs are designed in such a way that the scope is comprehensive, prevention focused, and more of developmental in nature. In the current scenario, the schools and the educators encounter many challenges. There is an increased need for the school counselors to possess leadership skills in order to effectively help the students to maximize their potentials. Leadership skills are considered to be imperative for academic systems that aim to bridge the gap between opportunities and the achievement. Based on the current requirement, leadership qualities of a school counselor have improved to possessing confidence to confront status quo, the capabilities in the developing a common vision and enthusiasm in initiating innovative programs. Such qualities promote a school counselor to the level of being one of the key players in education reform and in nurturing positive student achievement outcomes. So the learning objectives of this video is comprehend the concept of leadership skill in school counseling, gain understanding about the scope of school counselor leadership. Considering the shift in the requirement for more wider role, many school counselors aim to embody leadership characteristics so as to have authority in making better decisions for the overall well-being of the students. In fact, the school counselors initiate and implement many programs and services that involve leadership role. It has been conceptualized that the school counselors engage in both horizontal and vertical leadership. Horizontal leadership involves collaborative work as change agents focus on student outcomes, handling system issues, attributing to student success, and design programs to bridge the gap between effort and the achievement. Similarly, vertical leadership includes all components of horizontal leadership and also the ability to improve on professional standards. Both these practices facilitate effective school counselor leadership. School counselors may encounter difficulties in their effort to develop leadership skills, as there is still less clarity in what exactly defines a leader and the related skills in the school counselor. Also, such a skill development is a long-term process, requiring much patience, commitment, and tolerance. With sufficient effort and perseverance, a school counselor can become a leader in the educational community. There are many definitions regarding leadership, such as leadership is a process whereby an individual influences a group of individuals to achieve a common goal, given by the Nordhaus 2007. According to Tichy 2004, the essence of leadership is not commanding but teaching. It is opening people's eyes and minds. It is teaching them new ways to see the world and pointing them to the new goals. It is giving them the motivation and the discipline to achieve these goals. And it is teaching them to share the knowledge. Whatever the definition may be, ASCA National Model has presented the crucial standards for school counselor leadership in designing and implementing sustainable comprehensive school counseling programs, thereby requiring school counselors to understand and utilize leadership skills. The academic, career, and personal as well as social needs of all students can be addressed by school counselors through applying leadership skills. They act as culturally responsive change agents, integrate best practices in the school counseling to begin, plan and provide services and interventions related to school students' equity. Leadership enables a school counselor to initiate services, advocate for resources, exert influence, and take charge to design and implement comprehensive school counseling programs. Leadership grows by coordinating and collaborating relationships among individuals, groups, and other stakeholders who are all involved in the process. Thus, school counselor leadership relentlessly work towards operational excellence in measurable areas. In this video, we have discussed about the concept and scope of leadership skill of the school counselor. In the next video, we will focus on the various leadership contexts. Thank you.